Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Python script which can generate fake data from your API or any sort of use you can do. Sometimes you need some fake data. It can be JSON data, it can be CSV data. So there is a package inside Python. You can actually generate some random fake data for testing purposes. So the name of the package is Faker. This is actually the package here. It's a simple Python package that generates fake data for your application for testing purposes. So the command is simple. You simply install this command. I've already installed it package. So now I will show you a very simple example. So first of all, you just need to import the package. So we simply import the JSON package which is necessary, and from this faker package we need to import the faker class, and after that we just need to initialize this faker class right here. So like this we can initialize it. After that we just need to generate a list of fake users. So for this I will just define a simple function which will be generate underscore fake users, and here we'll pass 10. So we'll be generating 10 users data. So now we just need to define this function right here. So we'll just define this generate fake users. So here it will take an argument right here which will be 10. So here we'll be initializing this users array which will be empty by default, and then we will be looping through this for loop. And for each thing we will be declaring this user object, and it will have these details right here. You can have a name right here. So this contains this function name. This will generate a random name for your data. Then it will generate a simply the email address. Similarly, if you want the address, it can even generate an address as well. So it has all these methods as you can see for generating this data types. Then we have the phone number. If you want the phone number, it can even generate the phone number as well. Then we also want the birth date. You can see that. So everything is available in this. So we can convert this into a string which will be date of birth. Then also we need all these things, which is the job title, company, website, everything, IP address and biography. So these are the data types each user will have. Each user has a name, email address, phone number, birth date, job, everything. So now we'll just after that we will add this to the users array, and lastly we will be returning this users array from this functions. That's all. So it's that easy. So after we generate the users, we can save this inside the JSON file. So we will simply say result.json. So all this data will be saved inside this JSON file like this. So after that we will dump this all this data inside this, and then we can print out a statement that done. So that's all. This is your Python script. So if I run this Python script here, you will actually see on the left hand side a JSON file will get created right here. So app. So you can see the result.json file has been successfully created, and if I open this file you will see each user will have these properties here: name, email, address, phone number. So it will be an array of users. So a total of 10 users will be there. So in this easy way you can generate some random fake testing data for your application. You can try this data. Let's suppose you are building an API, you need this data, so you can generate this using a very simple Python script using this third-party module Faker. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.